Creating a Fiverr account on a mobile device is easy and convenient. Follow these steps. Download app. Download the Fiverr app from your device's App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up. Tap on the Join or Sign Up button, usually prominently displayed on the app's home screen. Sign up method. Choose to sign up using your email address or connect with your Google or Facebook account. Enter the required information. Verification. Fiverr will likely send a verification code to your provided email address. Check your email and enter the code to verify your account. Profile setup. After verification, you will be prompted to set up your profile. Add the profile picture, write a short description, and provide your skills and expertise. Create gigs. If you're interested in offering services, you can create gigs directly from the app. Provide details about your service, pricing, and delivery time. Explore gigs. If you're looking to hire freelancers, explore the gigs available in various categories. Place orders. If you find a gig you want to purchase, click on it and follow the prompts to place an order. Profile management. Access your profile settings to edit your information, update your profile picture, and manage your account.